In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp Web on laptop and PC. If you'd like to type faster, share files from your computer, or keep chats open while you work, this is the easiest way to do it. We'll link your phone to your browser in a few quick moments so everything stays secure and simple. On your computer, open a modern browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari and go to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see a large square QR code on the page. This is what your phone will scan to authorize the session. If the code doesn't appear right away, wait a second or refresh the page. Keep this tab visible. It needs to stay open while you connect. As a best practice, check you're on the official site by looking for the padlock in the address bar. Now, on your phone, open WhatsApp. In the app, tap the three dots in the top right, choose linked devices, then tap link a device. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Linked Devices, and tap Link a Device. Your phone may ask you to unlock with your fingerprint, face, or passcode. That's normal and simply confirms it's you. If you don't see linked devices, update WhatsApp to the latest version. For the best experience, make sure your phone and computer both have an active internet connection and that WhatsApp has permission to use your camera. When the camera view opens, point your phone at the QR code on your computer screen. Hold it steady for a moment and make sure the whole code fits inside the frame. If it struggles to read, turn up your laptop's brightness or move slightly closer so the code is sharp. As soon as it scans, your chats will load in the browser and you're linked. You can now type with your keyboard, search conversations, and attach photos or documents directly from your computer. Your messages remain end-to-end encrypted. Linking simply authorizes this browser to display them. If the QR code refuses to scan, refresh the page and try again. Clean your camera lens and confirm both devices are online. Adjusting distance an inch or two often helps the camera focus. If you recently switched phones, just repeat this linking process from the new device. If you close the tab or even restart your computer, your account will still be linked until you choose to log out. So only connect on a device you trust. That's all there is to it. WhatsApp Web on your laptop or PC, set up quickly and ready to use.